Welcome back to the channel. Today's photo project building a realistic 3D billboard mockup for street ads, perfect for designers who want to showcase branding projects with impact. Open a city street image as your base. Now draw a rectangle over billboard's area. Then apply a perspective transform to fit perfectly. Now add your poster inside the shape and use multiply blend mode. Then add shadows using a soft black brush for realism. Adjust brightness and color match with background. And there you go. Your ad looks printed on a real billboard. If you love mockups, stay tuned. The next tutorial may take it even further. Thanks for watching.